In the heart of the dense Borneo Rainforest, survival training takes on new dimensions with its rich biodiversity and lush landscapes. Trainees learn the art of jungle navigation using the sun and local animal tracks to avoid predators. Essential skills include constructing stable bamboo shelter, influenced by indigenous understanding of flora. Participants delve into methods of sourcing water from plants and creating purifying systems from natural materials. Understanding the rainforest's unique biodiversity allows them to identify edible versus poisonous flora, leveraging nature's pharmacy. Crafting tools from materials like rattan and vines highlights vital bushcraft, equipping them for survival in Borneo's challenging jungle environment.